Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is an English for grade 5. We are learning unit number 9, Mary, the Queen of Hills. Yes, my dear teachers, this is lesson plan and PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 8, we will learn today about letter writing. Before in English for grade 5, we have already learned about letter writing and its types. I hope you remember it. If you may not, you can watch this video lecture again. Yes, my dear students and my dear teachers, so our today's students' learning outcomes are write an informal letter and formal letter of application. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Quran, Surah Naml, verse number 28, go with this letter of mine and deliver it to them. Then stand aside and see how they will respond. Yes, my dear teachers and my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us that Allah has also given power to one of his prophet, Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam, that he could understand the language of birds. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent a letter, will send a message through a bird to Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam, and that go and deliver it to them and see how they will respond you. So yes, my dear students, our pre-reading questions are there. What is a formal letter? Pause the video, respond to your teacher, and then come back. Excellent job. I hope you have done it. Yes, what is an informal letter? An informal letter is the type of a letter you would write to someone you know. For example, a friend or a family member. Yes, my dear teachers and my dear students, so what is an informal letter? An informal letter is a type of letter that we write to our friends, family, or relatives. So we don't need to be formal with them because they are also our friends. We know each other, so we can write nicely and willingly and happily we can write. So no need to be formal in such type of letters. So what is a formal letter? A formal letter is a letter written to a business, a college, or for any other professional purpose. So such type of letters we write to a business, any professional purpose. So such type of letters are called formal letters. So definitely we have to be formal and straightforward what we are discussing with them. So we need to be formal in such type of letters. So my dear students, two ways to write a letter: formal, informal. Formal letters we write to business, any newspaper editor, to our principals, for anyone that we have to be formal with them. And informal letters we write to our friends, family members, and relatives, and we can be easy with them while writing such type of letters. So let's see how we can write a letter. There are certain formats that apply that all types of letters, they are explained here. So my dear students, even we are writing formal letter or we are writing informal letter, so we can use this format for both patterns. Number one is headings consisting of the sender's address, the date. So in first portion, what we will write to whom we are writing a letter, like dear brother, dear sister, in this way. So date and the sender's address, from where you are sending your letter, from home, from school, from any street, that you will write in detail, and also you will mention date, on which date you wrote this letter. And next is salutation, and salutation means that we have to pay salam, like dear father, dear mother, dear brother, dear sister, or dear sir, madam, etc. So that dear sir, madam, etc., these salutations are for formal letters, and their father, mother, brother, sister, dear cousin, anyone else that you are writing to your friend, your family members. So no need to be formal. These are informals. And number 3 is C is the body of the letter, the whole structure that includes the whole body that we are discussing in the letter. This is called the body of the letter. So next, my dear students, yes, complimentary clause, your affectionate brother, sister. With lots of love, yours faithfully. So such type of words we write while closing our whole letter at the end. So we use such type of letters like take care, bye for now. And the last one, what we do? The signature, name of the sender. Suppose you are writing letter, so you will write your name. If I am writing letter, so I'll write my own name. So this is called the sender name, the signature of the letters. Okay. So there is a sample letter for you, my dear students. See there. A letter to a brother from his sister living in a distant city. She is living away from her brother. So she is writing this letter to her brother. So you can see that there is heading, that sender's address and date. And next, second is salutation that we have already discussed. And next, the whole that part is called body of the letter. So what she is telling to her brother, that whole is called body of the letter. And the next is complimentary clause, your affectionate sister, brother, anything, and signature. That one is writing letter. I hope you have got it, my dear students. So let's perform an activity to get strong concept about letter. Yes, open your book and see there is a sample letter for you. Read it out carefully and get that which part is salutation, which part is beginning, body of the letter, and closing. Pause the video and get that. Excellent job, my dear students. I hope you have got it and you have confirmed that which parts of letters are there and how many parts are total. So what's our today's homework? Write question number 11 given on book, page number 88 in your notebooks. What is our question number 11? Write a complaint letter to a newspaper editor about the unhygienic condition of your town. So you will write this letter in your notebook and be careful, beta, which type of letter this is. This is an informal letter because that letter you are writing to a newspaper editor. So you have to be informal while writing letter. Be careful. So yes, my dear teachers, this is worksheet and this worksheet is given below. Click it, download it and provide it to your students for getting strong concepts about letter. So what we have learned today? We learned about letter writing. We also learned about formal and informal application, how we can write formal and informal letter. And in this way, we have covered up our SLO. Write an informal letter and formal letter of application. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have got strong concept about letter because it is our second unit and second chapter that we are getting about letter. So it's good for you that you have to memorize it, the whole structure. Tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.